If your cabinet door looks like this, the hinge is not broken. Most cabinet doors go out of alignment over time. The good news is, you don't need to replace anything. This is what most people do. They turn random screws and hope it fixes the problem. That usually makes things even worse. Each screw on this hinge has a specific job. Once you know what each one does, the fix is easy. These screws adjust the height of the door, up and down. Always support the door while doing this. This middle screw moves the door in and out. It helps when the door sticks out or rubs. This one moves the door left and right. Small turns make a big difference. To make sure the adjustment is right, always check the door. One adjustment at a time is the key. Don't rush it. Perfect alignment, no parts replaced. Follow Fix It Smart for more easy home fixes.